The first part of this procedure to assemble your frame is to place the frame members around the product, and by adjusting, as we've shown in the other videos, adjusting the length, locking those into position. You've laid these around your product. Now we'll just put the corners on. We're going to get one corner. You can see they fit into the same grooves as it fit on the other way. It butts all the way up against, and you lock it in. And you place the other one in the corner, shoving it all the way up against and locking your mechanism.
You're too far up. I need you to scoot down a little bit.
It's on. Let me just put this on, then we'll move on to the next thing. We're going to place on the first set of the gussets. They go on and fit into the corners as we were shown in the assembly prior. And this will move into a position and lock in like that. You'll have a second one that comes across, locks in, and locks in. The final step will be, the final step of assembling pieces, is now you can put the other side gussets on. Now these gussets, you can either put them on in opposite angles to the way the front gussets are, or you can put them straight across, whichever holds your product in. We advise you to place those at your discretion, so they can go on like that. And the last step is to making sure that all of your locks are secure. So you go around and you make sure that all of your locks are lined up and they're securely locked all the way around on all four sides. And then when that's completed, you've now got your product snugly packed. Then you slide these forward and you tighten and lock that. You slide this forward, you tighten and lock that. This is the first side that we put the angles on. So you come back over to this side. You can either do this laying down or you can do this standing up. Slide forward, adjust the lock. Slide forward, adjust the lock and tighten. Now your product is secure. Now to disassemble a product, once you've reached the destination, you reverse the process by sliding this back. Therefore, this is now loose. You push the button in the center, removing it from the edge. Push the button, remove the gusset. Same way, loosen this, relieve the tension, push the button, remove it from the edge, push the button, remove it from the edge. Now your product is going to be free. Your clamps would have been in here. I removed those for clarification and movement because I don't have a product. But then you just squeeze the trigger, pull the clamp face off, your product comes out. I repeat the procedure on the other side after having turned the frame over. Take the tension off, loosen both those, push buttons, remove from the frame. Push the button, remove from the frame. Then it's just a matter of loosening the corners, pulling off corners one at a time. And everything comes apart. Then we go on to packing it back in the box.